Let's build a hidden hero of handwriting, shifting a pencil into position using just one hand. You will need a standard or short pencil and a flat surface to practice. A grip guide or paper can help too. Ask your child to pick up the pencil and shift it into a tripod grasp, just by adjusting their fingers, not using the other hand. This small motion supports big skills: grip control, writing fluency, and mid-task grip adjustments. To begin, use short pencils. They naturally guide the hand into the right position. You can help by showing the motion slowly or marking where to hold. Want to make it trickier? Try picking up from different angles, adding background music, or switching between writing tools and tasks. If your child is sensitive to pencil texture, go for soft grips, rubber wraps, or chubby crayons to build comfort and control. This skill shows up everywhere, while grabbing a pen, coloring with focus, or tapping on a tablet. A smooth pencil shift means steady writing because control begins in the hand before it even reaches the page.